Funding incentives can make installing or upgrading a septic system for a tiny house financially feasible. Tiny house owners should first check state and local low-interest loan programs that cover septic repair and replacement, because many programs allow deferred payments or income-based qualifying that can shrink monthly costs to manageable amounts. Look for sustainable housing grants offered by state housing agencies and nonprofit foundations, which often fund water and wastewater projects for small dwellings. When applying, emphasize reduced footprint, water conservation fixtures, and community benefit to improve grant success. Consider community shared funding, where multiple tiny house owners pool resources or form a cooperative to spread capital costs and negotiate contractor rates. Draft simple agreements that specify maintenance responsibilities and cost shares to avoid disputes. If your property qualifies, inquire about Federal Emergency Management Agency or disaster mitigation funds after eligible events or for mitigation projects that reduce public risk, noting these programs have strict documentation and timeline rules, so start early. For owners in rental communities or accessory dwelling unit clusters, amortize system costs against projected rental income and use conservative occupancy estimates to demonstrate repayment capacity to lenders or partners. Keep detailed site plans, soil evaluations, and contractor bids ready before applying to any program, because precise documentation speeds approval and prevents cost surprises. Common mistakes include underestimating site preparation and soil testing expenses, which leads to funding shortfalls. Solve this by budgeting for a complete perc test and site grading quote up front. Another issue is assuming tiny house systems always qualify for standard septic grants. Many programs have dwelling size or permanent residency requirements, so verify program eligibility and provide clear documentation of use and occupancy. A third frequent problem is neglecting long-term maintenance planning, which raises life cycle costs. Address this by creating a written maintenance schedule, estimating annual maintenance costs, and including those figures in loan or partnership agreements. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors that match their septic and tiny house needs, and to help contractors find work in communities interested in small-scale systems. We also host a discussion community so owners and contractors can share experiences, funding leads, and practical advice.